Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today I am going to be showing you what is in my skincare bag. I just did my skincare. I am right now in Udaipur, so yeah, I thought why not just film it and upload it on my YouTube and IGTV. So let's go. So this is the bag. This is the Face Shop one which I received earlier this year. It says "You Glow Girl." So I am using this, and in this I have all the skincare. First of all, I cannot go anywhere without cotton pads. So I have a lot of them. These are from Miniso. You get a pack of them. So I took like a few, and then yeah, you have those. Those come in very handy. For my face wash, it is actually inside in the bathroom. I have the Belief one, the creamy moist in the travel size one, but to remove my makeup I have these tiny ones from Bioderma. Now this is the best makeup remover I've ever used, like the best micellar water. This removes everything so nicely. Like, this is just the best. So I've carrying these two which I got in PR recently. Then for my toner, again I won this travel size kit very early in, I think, September or something. So I got this Innisfree Jeju Volcanic toner. So I've got this is how it is. Although I don't use much, like I use very little, like tiny drops, and just pat it on my face or with the cotton pad. Now for serum, I have the numero 10 essence one from Belief. Again, this is the travel size. I have this one. There is one more thing which I was like, I cannot compromise on at all. So Nykaa recently sent me their skin potions, and I am dry skin obviously, so I was like, there's no way I'm not gonna bring that. So yeah, I have this. I have been carrying this everywhere with me because I mean, whenever I apply makeup, before applying makeup, whenever I apply this, my makeup looks so bomb. That's why I was like, I cannot just miss it. Also, it's very hydrating and great. So I use this in the morning for my makeup, and during the nights I use the Belief serum. And for my moisturizer, I again have these travel size ones from Belief. This is the Belief Aqua Bomb. Now this is one of my favorite, absolutely favorite moisturizers. I have finished the actual bigger version of this Aqua Bomb, so you can tell like how much I really like this one. So yeah, I have the Aqua Bomb. Again, it is very moisturizing. It is like thick but very hydrating, not greasy, as you can see on my face. That's what I'm wearing right now. It looks very hydrated. For my eye cream, I have the Belief Moisturizing Eye Balm again. So again, I have this in travel size, so I was like, let's get it. Again, with that I have a lot of space left. So then I have my Nivea lip balm. I almost forgot what I wanted to talk about. This is in the shade Soft Rose. I do not like anything too fragrancy in my lip balm, and just in case, because I'm carrying only one cleanser face wash, I was like, what if my skin, when you're traveling, your skin will definitely feel dry and everything. So I was just carrying one cleanser. That's why I decided, maybe, again, I want this travel size Innisfree Jeju Volcanic mask. So I had this in travel size, so I was like, let's just take it. This is how it looks. I've used, I think, half of it almost. It's a really good clay mask. So I'm the type of person who would like to go all in with my skin, especially the cleansing one. I want my skin to feel cleansed no matter what. So I was like, maybe let's just take that. And for my lenses, I have my lens case, and I forgot, like, I didn't have the travel size lens solution, so I have the aqua lens solution. This is like a bigger one, but you do get like a smaller one from Bosch and Lomb, but I ran out of that, so I was like, you know what, let's just take this, like, who cares. So those are my things which I keep in my skincare bag. Yeah, just staple things, not too much, not too less, just the perfect amount. And I love that even after like all of these many products which you've seen, see how much space is left. Like, there is still more space. Like, I'm pretty sure I could have kept in more if I wanted, but definitely I didn't want to. So yeah, that was it. That was what was in my skincare bag, what I carry for travel. If you want to buy any of these products, I will link it down below, but I highly recommend the Jeju volcanic mask, the Nykaa essential oils serum thing, and even the aqua bomb, because those are pretty amazing products. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye.